on, Nicole. You can do this.
Come in. Ah, Miss Bruno. What brings you here?
I want you to make me stage manager.
Nicole, we've been through this before. I made Mike the stage manager because he's a senior.
I think you and I both know why you really made Mike the stage manager.
Excuse me?
Oh, come on, Mr. Carter. I saw what happened last night.
You did?
You said you transferred here from Washington High School. They said they'd never heard of a Kurt Carter before. If that's even your real name.
What are you trying to say?
They are fucking the guys giving them officer positions!
What?
That's why Joe is the new lead and Mike is the new stage manager.
Do you even hear yourself? Where would you get this ridiculous idea from anyway?
Last night after rehearsal, I heard banging and moaning coming from the auditorium. When I went to go check it out, I saw you and Scott going into your office. Your hands were all over him.
That's just because we were doing some acting exercises, Nicole. They do it all the time on Broadway. It's very helpful.
Right. Acting exercises. I'm guessing Scott wasn't so good at them since you gave his role to Joe this morning.
He got cold feet. I had no other choice.
How many students at other schools got cold feet? How many times did you have to transfer schools because word got out? How many aliases do you have?
Nicole, you don't understand.
Oh, no, Mr. Carter. I understand. We all have skeletons in the closet. It would just be a shame if yours got out.
Okay, you know what, Nicole? You get to be stage manager starting at rehearsal today.
Really? Oh, gee, thanks, Mr. Carter. I mean, yeah, cool, good choice. Ah!
Nicole, I know this looks bad, but,
Oh my...
he's fine.
Scott!
Nicole, just calm down. Just calm down. He's all right. Yeah, look.
Oh, I need to see my guidance counselor!
I know this looks bad.
Bad. Scott is dead and his body is in your closet!
It's not my fault. It was an accident. The set was top heavy and it fell on him. You said it yourself. We all have skeletons in the closet.
Yeah, but this one still has flesh on it!
What about stage manager?
I do not want it that badly.
Are you sure? I mean, you came in here 2 minutes ago blackmailing me for it. This is all part of the job now. The show must go on, right?
You're insane.
Am I, though?
You know what? No, maybe you're right. Screw it. Let's go bury the body. Let me just get my shovel.
I'm being serious. I can't let this happen to me again.
Again?
If you want to be successful, you gotta have some pretty loose morals.
I mean, I guess, but... No, I can't do this!
That's bullshit. You know, the way you barged in here accusing me of statutory rape? That's the kind of charisma you need in this industry. And baby, you've got it.
I don't know.
Tell me, why do you want to be stage manager so badly?
It'll look good on college applications.
Are you familiar with the Carnegie Mellon School of Drama?
Yeah.
I'm an alum. A recommendation letter from someone like myself would go a long way.
I don't know. I can't do this.
Yes, you can. Scott died for this show. That's the kind of dedication I'm looking for. And if the show doesn't go on, then he died for nothing. He had the hard part. All you have to do is be stage manager. Come on, Nicole. What do you say?
Make me co-producer.
You and I are gonna run this school.
The show must go on.